In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of Perplexity AI for in-depth research on the sociological and psychological factors that influence consumer behavior in digital marketing. This tutorial will guide you through the process, providing a clear path to leverage AI technology for your research needs. To start, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to Google. Google remains a reliable gateway to numerous online resources, making it an excellent starting point for today's tutorial. In the Google search bar, type Perplexity AI. As you do this, remember that spelling and accuracy in search queries are crucial for bringing up the right results quickly. Once your search results display, look for the Perplexity website among the top suggestions and click on it to access the site. Taking the time to ensure you're on the official Perplexity website will save you from potentially misleading information or tools that may not serve your research purposes effectively. After arriving on Perplexity's homepage, the next essential step is to create a prompt. This is where you will input the specific question or topic you wish to explore today. What are the main sociological and psychological factors influencing consumer behavior in digital marketing? Crafting a clear and concise prompt is vital as it directs the AI to fetch the most relevant and informative content available. Once your prompt is ready, it's time to explore the sources that Perplexity AI uses to provide accurate results. Click on Source to see the origins of the information, which helps in verifying the credibility and comprehensiveness of the data you receive. This is particularly important for academic or professional research, where source validity can substantiate your findings. Next, navigate to the Academic section. This option allows you to focus your search query and results on academic or scholarly articles, making sure the data you collect has a strong foundation in research and evidence-based practices. This step is indispensable when delving into topics that require a scholarly backing, such as the intersection of psychology, sociology, and digital marketing. Finally, don't forget to hit Submit. This action will process your query through Perplexity AI's advanced search algorithms, delivering an array of well-sourced and pertinent information tailor-fitted to your research needs. By following these steps, you will have successfully utilized Perplexity AI to gather insightful data on how sociological and psychological factors impact consumer behavior in the digital marketing landscape. And there you have it. By the end of this video, you should feel more comfortable using AI as a tool in your research toolbox. Stay curious and keep exploring how technology can enhance and streamline your academic or professional endeavors. See you in the next tutorial.